What is up, Tube? And welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Let's get into this. So what's up, everybody? How's everybody been? I'm right here at the shop right now. Just got here. Take off my mask. I'm the only one in here. Haven't opened up yet, guys. Haven't worked a single day in over 40 days. Still hanging tough here at the shop. The wife's here with me. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
So today is gonna be our first day that we've actually came to the shop at all. We haven't been here. We've come by, stopped by for certain things, but we haven't come by to do nothing here. So today is going to be our cleaning day, what we call a deep cleaning. And what we're going to do is pull all the stations to this side of the shop and clean behind it, disinfect, clean everything out, mop it. If I have to, I'm gonna paint behind the stations to get a new coat of paint behind there, because back there there's splatters and all kinds of nastiness. So that's my project for the next probably for the next 2 weeks. Just get the shop in order, because according to California right now, according to my councilman, which I talked to earlier today, the city councilman here in my city that I live in, and right now we have the go ahead to open up on the 15th of May. So 15th of May is 2 weeks away. So we got to get this thing in order. We have to set up our new system, because now apparently there's no more walk-ins, guys. No more walk-ins. It's going to have to be all appointment only. I'm not going to be able to have tons of people sitting here on all these benches that I have. That's going to be a no-no now. It's going to be only the person you're cutting and your barber. We're supposed to limit 10 people to inside the shop. So I have 5 barbers. So that 5 barbers plus the client, that's 10 people right there. So people are not going to be allowed to be bringing people with them no more. The only people that are going to be able to do that is maybe parents that bring one kid with them, and that's it. The other kids aren't even going to be able to come in here. So there's going to be stricter rules. The whole system of barbering is going to change, guys. It's going to have to be this way for a while until we get through this. Who knows? It might be like this for a year or 2 years. It might be like this forever. It might be the new norm for all we know. So, and get ready, guys, because we're going to have to be using masks to cut hair. Trust me. That's going to definitely be a norm from now on. So we're just going to have to get used to it, guys. There's no way, no ifs, ands, or ways about it. So prepare yourself for that. So I'm going to get started on the shop here, and we'll discuss things throughout the day as we go on. One of the things I want to really bring up right now that I haven't mentioned is prepare yourselves for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day to file for unemployment, for federal unemployment. It's called PUA. Look it up, guys. Look it up. So that's going to be the federal unemployment for contractors, self-employed people, because we've never been able to collect unemployment. So now they're giving us the opportunity to do it right now during this crisis. So I encourage you guys all to do your part and sign yourself up, because if you don't, you're going to miss out on that money too. But we'll talk about that a little bit more as we get along. I'm going to start right now in the shop, start cleaning it and setting everything up, start pulling the stations forward. But I'll take you guys with me, show you guys what's up.
Hey guys, so how we planned on tackling this is section by section. So right now, Big Al is blowing everything with a compressor, with a hose that he has connected to the compressor in the back. That's probably going to be the easiest way. So that's what I'm doing right now. Look at all that hair. Ooh. Let me go get those out. Oh man. But so that's all he's doing right there. And then we have all the benches up. We haven't decided whether we're going to take some of those benches home with us because since things are going to change, there's not going to be people waiting in the shop anymore. So, and it would be kind of nice to have more room for like the social distance aspect of going back. So, and now he's just going to sweep it. Look at the door here, babe.
Dirt?
No hair.
The hair?
Look at it.
Hair
Damn.
goes everywhere, guys.
No, we're not. No, we're cleaning up. Yeah,
May 15th.
sorry.
May 15th. Sorry, buddy.
See, already somebody thought we were open. He was desperate. Huh? Yeah. He looked it and I could feel it in his voice.
Come on, man.
Please. So like, see like that kind of corner, I'm gonna have to get in there and clean it by hand. Wipe down all the walls because this is like behind the stations. This is something that Mia and Beg Al did like a few years ago when we painted the whole shop. Oh yeah, I forgot the thing was playing the whole time. Is this for your channel, babe? Oh, for ours. But yeah, what we did was we painted that side blue and then that side gray. Well, you guys have seen it before, and then we deep cleaned it. So we took back all the stations, but we haven't done it since then. So it's been about, I would say 4 years, huh, babe?
No,
3 years?
We did it 1 year after that. I still cleaned it the day after. It's been about 3 years. You said the other day, probably about right. We did like a deep clean.
Yeah, and the sad thing is, before this all happened, we were already planning on purchasing new stations, which were going to be workbenches. But now that this happened, that's going to be on hold for a couple years till we recover. But yeah, thank God for my husband's shop. This is his livelihood. Been for the past 10 years plus, and yeah, everything he's worked for. Okay, so I have to get off so I can help him. What are you doing, babe? Damn. Oh my God, babe, you're expert at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's supposed to do that? Oh, that's how you move them, huh? Okay.
All right, guys, I just moved one of my Coke and chairs. If you guys are wondering if hair gets trapped under there, look at this. Bam. All that was under that Coke and chair. So we're doing a deep cleaning. What we're doing is basically pulling all the stations down. Well, oh, oops. So what we're doing is we're pulling all the stations back, and we're gonna paint behind the stations. It's been a long time since it's been about 5 years since we painted behind the stations. So she's wiping them down right now. Then I'm gonna come in behind her and paint them. We're gonna move our way down the stations. Pull all the stations this way to the right, like we already did with these ones. Wipe all the stations down completely, and then clean behind this wall. We're gonna get rid of all the stickers that we have up on the mirrors. We want to take all that down. That way it just looks more presentable, more professional. Sometimes we get out of hand with the stickers here at the shop. Yeah. I'm the number one that does it, if you can see right here. So if you have your barbershop sticker up there and I'm pulling it off, sorry about that, guys. It's the wife's fault. She doesn't want it up there. Just kidding.
Looks like crap. I mean, not the logo, but
not the logos, but the fact that there's a bunch of, yeah, it doesn't look professional. She's right. We're gonna take a lot of this stuff down from up here, just kind of clean it up, get rid of some of the clutter that I have up here. There's a lot of clutter up there. Okay, we got everything taped off already. That's what we're worried about here. We're gonna paint behind the stations in this little wall right here. So we got it all taped off. The wife's over here working on this part. Looking good, babe.
yeah,
It's looking good.
it's not It's not that bad. I'm surprised. It's bad, but it's like expected.
Well, you know, having the cause we have blowers here, so with the blowers you could blow everything out daily. So it's, but these walls do need to be painted. See all it's all chipped right there and everything. We need to clean out all.
Yeah, and then the water drip from.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks nasty. The only way to get that off is to paint it.
It's what?
To paint it.
Oh yeah. Where do you want to put those heads up?
Yeah, just put them on top of the stations for now.
Okay.
Yeah. First quote's in. To dry up, I got a couple spots right there I gotta hit. Move on to this side over here. Keep following the stations over. Shop was a mess, guys. Seriously, the last time we were here, we just locked it up and got out of here, and haven't been back here in a month, so it's only expected to be a mess. Get this place back in order, get ready to be opened up again. This is for the Lisa vlog. Check it out, guys. That's what it's looking like right there. And over here is what I haven't done yet. You could tell the difference already. Just painting the lower bottom of the wall just to make it look nice. That won't be open back up. Be nice and sharp in here. So I wanted to give you guys a quick reminder. Tomorrow is a very important day for all of us guys that are independent contractors and self-employed, you know, shop owners. Tomorrow is a PUEA day at for the federal government. They're opening up federal assistance for us that are self-employed. That we normally don't qualify for unemployment. So tomorrow is the day. I don't know what state you guys are in. I'm here in California. In California, tomorrow morning is the opening of the online applications for federal help. I already applied for California unemployment and I qualified according to them, but I'm yet to receive a single dollar yet. So tomorrow is going to be the important day. Tomorrow I'm going to do that first thing in the morning, get up early, and jump on there and try to fill out that application, because that's, to me, that's the most important thing right now, is hopefully try to get some unemployment help. I don't know how that's going to affect me later, you know what I mean, as far as, especially here in California, because in California they have this new law, this AB 40. I heard that they're trying to repeal it right now because of all the situations that's going on. It's hard for us to all be, and they want every contractor to be an employee, which, you know, it's virtually impossible for us. I don't even understand how they want us to do that. But filing for unemployment, I think, is opening a can of worms for us. I think in the long run, they're going to know exactly who's an independent contractor and who's not because of this. So I don't know. I don't know if eventually we're all going to have to go to the new way. And the new way supposedly is, from my understanding, is that every single barber has to apply for his own business license. They work for themselves, you know, and they could do their own hours, create their own prices, and basically you're doing booth rental. But you know that I know a lot of barbershops already function in that fashion, but I don't. I never have, so it's going to be all new for me too. So I'm going to finish up here, guys. That's pretty much all I have about that. As far as a PPP loan, I got a letter from email from Bank of America saying that I have all my paperwork in order and I should qualify, but there's not enough funds now. So they're waiting to be receiving more funds. As soon as they receive more funds, they're gonna let me know about that. But we'll see about that. I'm not even really interested in getting a loan at this point, especially if we're gonna open up in 2 more weeks. If we're gonna open up in 2 more weeks, I'd rather just get back to work, you know, and try to do with what I have, because getting another loan is just something else you got to pay back, you know. So at this point, I'm not that desperate. What I do need is for my income tax to come in. If my income tax would just come in, I'd be all right. But you know, that's another story, guys. It's just another thing I got to worry about. But let me finish up right here what we're doing. I've already painted the 2 behind 3 stations. So we have to do 3 more on this side. Probably not going to do that today. I'm just going to do those 3 today, and we'll come back tomorrow or Wednesday and do these on this side. But we have plenty of time before we open up. So I just wanted to get in here and get started on it. It already looks a lot better, guys. A lot better. So that's what you just got to do. Got to get ready, guys. Got to get ready to go open back up. Ready for business. You can already tell the difference, guys. Look at that. I'm going to untape it right now. Then I'm going to mop really good right here. Then I'm going to move these stations back to where they were at. And then I'm going to start those ones. My station, J-Lo station, and that last station, we'll probably do those the next day. So we still have plenty of things to do, guys. This place stays dirty for some reason. try to keep it clean, guys. But it's just when you do that, this many hair. Look at this. This is under the chairs and stuff right here, guys. There's just a lot of hair everywhere. Okay, guys, this is where our progress is at right here. We got my station, J-Lo station pulled out. We got all these 3 stations done, completely painted behind it, set back up. I'm gonna tell the barbers to come set up their own stations because I pulled all their machines apart. But
and then all that stuff is some of your stuff, huh?
Yeah, that's most of my stuff right there. I just put it on top of there. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna lay some paper down again and paint this side. Finish painting that side, and then we're gonna work on this corner over here. Get all that stuff cleaned up. Nice and sanitary, but man, it looks different. It feels different. Look at the way it looks behind the wall now, guys. Look at this. Looks nice. I like it. That's a little new towel warmer that somebody sent for me to do a review on it. So I'm gonna be doing a review on that. But that's it for today, guys. Here at the shop. Alright guys, I'm back at home. You guys seen what I went through today, cleaning up my shop, getting it ready. But you know, I came home and I got a letter from unemployment today, from California unemployment, like I was telling you guys. And what it says is no benefits are available for your claim at this time. If you are requesting a recomputation, you are waiting for military, federal, or out-of-state assistance to be included in your claim. Continue to the file in the weeks you wish to claim. So basically what they're saying, guys, is I don't have no California unemployment insurance because I don't pay for that. We're self-employed. But and this is a big but, guys, for you guys that are following me and you guys are here, tomorrow the 28th, April 28th, PUA, which stands for Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. It's a new program by the CARES Act. That starts tomorrow, guys. So tomorrow is the first day that you guys can apply for that. I'm going to apply for it. Supposedly it's $600 per week, all the way back to the weeks that we've been off, excluding the first 10 days. So like me, I was off since the 16th. So from the 26th on, it'll pay you. So guys, you need to jump on that tomorrow. First thing in the morning, 8 a.m. I don't know if you guys are on the East Coast, 8 a.m. at your time, 8 a.m. at my time. That's when I'm going to start applying here. Here in California, if you're in California, you have to go to the EDD website, and tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., you'll be able to start applying. That's what I'm going to do, guys. But, guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Today was pretty crazy at the shop. You know, I'm super burned out right now, guys. I got a lot done. I painted half the shop, the bottom. That's what I really wanted to do. We pulled everything out, got it all cleaned up, got it all nice and disinfected. You know, things are going to change now. The shop, everything's going to change. As of right now, from what I hear, we're going to be able to open on May 15th here in California. So I plan on opening that day. So enough is enough. We've been sitting around for a while, guys. It's time to get back to work. So if they say it's good to go, I'm going to go back on the 15th too. But things are changing, guys. It's not like we're going to go back to just doing the same things we used to do before. It's not like that no more. It's going to be appointment only. Setting a flat rate at my shop. You know, people are going to have to book appointments. If people walk up, if there's a available barber, then they can go right up. If there's no available barber, they're going to either have to return or wait in their car. So that's just the way it's going to have to be now, guys. That's the new standards in barbering for a while until we get past this pandemic. But, guys, make sure you guys get up early tomorrow and apply for that PUA. Remember that. Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. That's what it stands for, guys. So, with that being said, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Grind on.